Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I built this little surf shack. These are some materials I got at Hobby Lobby. I started by cutting out 2 pieces of foam board that were about 8 inches wide. On the front panel I traced out a big window and cut it out, and then I started the process of cutting all of the rounded edges off of the popsicle sticks, which took a while and I did get a blister from it, and then I started gluing them on. I had this little piece of wood from the Dollar Tree and I just cut about 1 inch off of it to use as the bar for the walk-up window. And then I just glued it on. And then I started working on gluing the popsicle sticks on the side panel. My sidewall was barely over 6 inches. When I covered the back wall, I didn't go all the way down because you're not really going to see that. On the back wall, I added a couple of shelves. I just used the popsicle sticks and glued them across. Once I had it glued together, you could still kind of see the foam board on the edges, so I took some of the popsicle sticks and cut them down and glued them around the edges. Next, I started painting it. I just brushed on this teal paint. I wanted some of the wood to show through. I wanted it to kind of have a weathered look. But after it was done, I wasn't happy with it, so I went back in with a darker blue and then some white paint. I cut out some little surfboards and boogie boards out of foam board and painted them. This one I cut out of paperboard. It is the sign for the surf shack. I painted it white and then I used paint and markers to finish it off. When I attached it, I used a small piece of foam board and glued it on the structure, and then I glued the sign on top of it so it would stand out a little bit. Then I took some brown paint and painted the counter. For the roof, I took 2 of the popsicle sticks and glued them to make a peak on each side for the roof. Then I took this burlap material, I cut it down to size and I frayed the ends and then glued it on. I bought this new Ken doll. It is the Barbie Looks doll number 18, and I've just kind of been holding on to him, and I thought this would be the perfect time to open him, and he can run our little surf shack. He is so much bigger than a normal sized Ken. I doubt I have any clothes that fit him. I haven't tried yet, but I do really like him, and I like his hair. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.